Hi there. This is a quick video just to show you some range of motion of what you can do at home with your dog. So first of all, I'm going to start by warming up the muscle here on Jazz. What you want to do is just stroke the muscle back and forth, back and forth. It's kind of like a deep pet, what you're going to do. Just like in us, you don't want to be stretching cold muscles, so that's why we want to warm up the leg. First of all, you're going to start down at the feet and bend the foot. It's called the carpus joint. That's what we want to start with. If your dog can go further, perfect. Do that with them. Then what we want to do is go to the elbow. As you can see, Jazz is a little bit resistant on it, but that is okay. Go to what your dog can do. As you can see, I'm just holding the elbow in my hand. I am right-handed, so it is easier if you can use that to your advantage. All right, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna be stretching out the triceps, which are along here, and we're going to be stretching them forwards. So that is what we call extension. So I'm just going to guide forward. Again, I'm not cranking on his leg at all. I'm just guiding it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do some flexion. So again, as you can see my hands, I'm stretching him backwards. This is a very good stretch for them. What you want to do is come back to the home position and start again. We'll extend. They should be able to stretch all the way to their nose. And we'll flex. They should be able, so their elbow touches their tummy here. We'll go back to home position again. If you feel comfortable, you can incorporate some bicycle stretches, as you've probably heard me say at home. But like I said, Jazz is a little resistant on that elbow, so we'll just go in small circles with him. It's like we're riding a bicycle. And we want to go the other way as well. Perfect. So what you're going to want to do that, same with the back leg when I do show it, you're probably going to do about 5 to 10 reps. Start off slow, get them used to it, and then continue from there. So what we're going to do, we are going to go to the back area here now. Again, just guiding your hand back, not to scare your dog. If you do have another person to help you, perfect. They can stay at the head end. What I like to do when I stretch out my dog by myself, all I do is put my leg over his head so he cannot get that head up, and the other leg like this, and we're good to go. So now we're at the back end. We want to warm up that muscle again. And like I said before, I know my dog Jazz is tight in the back, so I want to go slow with him. So once you feel that you've warmed up that muscle enough, we're going to start at the bottom here with his toes. And this, some people like to call it the ankle bone. It is the hock in the dog. So what we're going to start with is just guiding back and forth. Sometimes some dogs can have some arthritic problems in this area, so you want to go nice and slow with them and just guide it. Next, what you want to do, which Jazz is already doing for me, is flex his knee, which is his stifle. Okay, we want to start off slow. Again, you see that my left hand is just cupping in his thigh, and I'm just guiding his leg. Start off slow with a small angle. As you can see, he is slightly shaking. That does mean that he is slightly tight. So we want to go slow with him. I know, buddy. I know. Okay? If you feel that your dog can go at a greater angle, then you can try, like they're kicking themselves in the butt. That's fine. But maybe start off slow until you can get used to it. So we'll do 1, 2, and you can continue about 5 to 10 times as well. Next, what we want to do, similar to the front, we want to flex that leg. So what we're going to do, I know, buddy. Again, we're just going to guide that leg up and we're going to hold. And then what we're going to do, we're going to extend. I know he doesn't like this, but what we're going to do, we're going to go as far as he'll let me. We're going to extend. And we're going to hold. Good boy. So that's pretty good. We'll come in close. Again, we'll do some bicycles with them. I know, buddy. This is a funny movement for them. They're not used to riding bicycles. So right now, I'll show that in another video. He's not up to it right now, so we won't push him. But as you can see, very, very easy. Always remember, this is very key. Thank your dog after your session because he did it. Thanks for watching.